All right, today we're at a new restaurant in Las Vegas, Nevada. We're gonna be taking a tour. So starting off with the first level, here's what the first level looks like. All right, we're gonna see this part. This part looks nice. And now, I haven't shown some parts yet. Still working on it. Anyways, we're gonna go through here. As you can see, this is a bar area. Over here, I think it appears to be restrooms. I don't know what it is. That, Gentex Commander alarm. While we're still down here, let's take a look. This looks nice. Back part over there. All right. Now we're gonna go to the kitchen. As you can see, that's the kitchen in there. Parts of the kitchen, I won't show all of it. But now, we are gonna go up the elevator. This is gonna be the best clip of this is gonna be the best part. All right, let's go up. It's a ThyssenKrupp Aurora. This elevator looks nice, as you can tell. Anyways, here we are on the second level. So you can see, that looks nice. Here's the man-powered elevator. All right. And now, we take a look. See this part of the kitchen. However, there's the bar right there. Here's how it looks up here. This is gonna be nice. There's restrooms. All right. Let's take a look. And see, this part, this restaurant looks really nice. All right. We're gonna head this way. And I'll give you a full ride of the elevator. I know ThyssenKrupp elevator's gonna like this. Those are your buttons. ThyssenKrupp Aurora. Let's go up to 2. That's the logic right there. And we'll go back down the man-powered elevator. All right. Some outdoor seating right there. Can't go through there. But anyways, we are gonna go back down the man-powered elevator. This looks nice. There's the parking lot right there. Here's the patio right here. This looks nice. I know these owners, they did really good on this. Oh, also, there's Mona Lisa right there. Anyways, there it goes. Thanks for watching. Bye.